To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then tap the three vertical dots located in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. From the list of available options, tap on Chats. Next, navigate to Default Chat Theme. Under the Customize section, you will find Chat Color. If it's not visible, make sure your WhatsApp app is up to date. Now tap on it. You will see a color palette with 20 different options. Tap on any color to continue. A preview will appear, showing how the chat will look with the selected color. You can swipe left or right to preview additional chat color options. This will replace all your existing default chat color. Keep in mind that, only you can see this chat color. You can also tap the color circle in the bottom left corner to choose any custom color. Tapping the half moon icon in the bottom right corner toggles between light and dark modes for the selected chat color. When you are satisfied, tap the green OK button in the top right corner. The selected chat color will be applied immediately. Go to any chat to see the new chat color in action, and experience the updated chat interface. So that's how you can change chat colors on WhatsApp.